Hey, this is like a first video I'm doing for renovating basement. There is a tons of videos, so I thought there is no need for me to upload a video. But just a quick, you know, what I'm doing is I'm building, finishing my like a 40% type of basement unfinished, which is building some walls. I have an installation put it in, and the reason it's a different color, I already have an installation built done by the builder, and I'm adding this an extra layer from the stuff I have already. So I'm just giving like a sound installation these white stuff, and the reason I didn't put them in this wall because this is like a dressing walk-in closet type of thing, so there is no need for me to put any insulation because it will be like a wall between it and the utility room, so it's going to be a little bit like a privacy type of thing. So there's different type of insulation you could use to do the soundproofing or sound insulation type of thing. The video I thought is interesting to be uploaded is changing the rough-ins. The builder did the rough-in is wrong. So as you can see, this is my basement. The shower will be put in this location. I'm doing, and this is like a custom shower, if I think they call it, or like a built-in shower, which I'm putting 2x4s and put like a concrete pad inside it after you putting the PVC material, which I forgot what it is, like a waterproofing type of thing, which work like a pan under the concrete and the tiles. Then I'm gonna put the tiles on the walls and on the basin. So here, as you can see, it's like a really messed up roughing in design, so I have to change those. Then my wall will be continue from that corner all the way to here, and the rest is going to be utility room. The reason I having this wall here in this way, because in the code, if you have a gas heating furnace or a gas, like a water heater, so you need to have two vents from the utility room to the occupied area, if you want to call it, or like a common area. So what the builder did before I finishing the basement, having them there, because it's all was one room, so there is no walls. Now since I'm finishing my basement, so by code I have to move those from there, put them on this wall here. And there is two ways to do it. Either change the door with the louver door, which I hate, and it's gonna be dusty with the time, and I don't like them, and it's old-fashioned thing. Plus I need to change this door, which is the builder installed before. Or I could put them in here, up and down, and that's what I'm planning to do. So I did this belt out, small wall, like a L type of L shape type of thing, and also have the data for the house drops. So what I did first, you have to measure and you have to lay out the dimension of your bath, and usually there's like a standard dimensions for the sinks. Usually some of them came, I'm looking for like a sink with the casework, the vanity casework with it. So usually these came in different dimensions. Most popular one is a 24 inches wide. What I did, I just put 30, so I'm gonna have a little bit more clearance, and you can see that my marks there. So what I have to do now is moving the drain from that location here and have it running under the wall, under the concrete, and goes up from here. So it's gonna be fed, feed the sink. And also there is dimension for the toilet, which is technically the at least you have is 10 inches from the finished wall, which is this wall here, or you could do 12.5, which is most people recommended to use. Plus I have to shift it from this location to that location, because that's where my toilet, which is technically 20-inch wide. And the reason I put these dimensions on the floor, I don't know if you could read them. The reason for that, because when you're gonna cut the concrete, you're not gonna have any reference for your circle, the one I did here. So you have to measure from the closest wall in order to have the drain in that location. Then last is going to be the a shower drain, which have to be moved from here all the way to this location. But in your consideration, when you're doing the drain, you have to buy your basin, because if you go with the fiberglass things or PVC or whatever type of material, they have them in Lowe's and Home Depot, you have to buy that pan basin first, because some of them, the shower or the drain is in the middle, some of them in the front, some of them in left side, some of them right side. Depend on the manufacturer, and depend how wide you want to go with, and depend how the shape. If you want to do square and put like a little bit like a closet or little or whatever on this side, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. So you have to buy the basin and then you do your drain accordingly. But in my case, since I'm going to do built up, so I have to break the concrete from this area going all the way till here, and then have the drain from here all the way here. And another video in the middle of the process, I demoed the concrete, and it seems, I thought the lines come from this side all the way here and give it back, as I suspected, that the line going somewhere there, another line going there, and the 3-inch going to the toilet. But it seems no, it's coming this way, and then from here this goes to the, you know, sink and a drain into the basin, shower basin. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change the cut, and instead of do it from this way all the way there, I'm gonna cut the whole thing in here, in this area here where that T is, or where that Y is, and have a type of like a 3-tap connection. I need to check what they have in Home Depot, and do one going to the shower, one coming this way to my sink, and one goes this way to the new location of the toilet. So this is going to be the new cut from there all the way here. So that's what's going on now. I'm done with the demo part. I took the gravel. I still need to do some cleanup and take the gravel under the pipes. Then I will redo my connection. I'm done with the plumbing work. I'm ready for inspection. I moved the shower drain from this one, the old one. I cut it under the concrete. Then I will cut that piece later on. So this is the new shower drain, 2-inch shower drain hooked up, and I check the slope in every single process. You need to make sure you always have enough slope. So this is like a level here. You see? So this is like a level. So it is. It's sloped. You need to make sure every single piece of the line have enough slope, so the water not sitting in the pipe. This is one also sloped. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here, and you could tell there's a lot of slope here. So, and here we go, we're done. I passed an inspection today, so I will fill it with the concrete tomorrow. I'm start pouring concrete. I bought this Quickcrete or something. I will show you the package from Home Depot. I think it's $4.6 per bag for 80-pound bag, and I estimated that I will need like 3 bags in here. Here we go. I'm done with the concrete. All good. I cut the old drain, which is disconnected. So this is my finished product.